Hello friends, today we are going to discuss Web API in the UiPath. So this video or the upcoming video are dedicated for the project based learning. So this is my first project. In this project, we are trying to fetch the Bitcoin rate depending on the API result. So let's start. So we are using this API. I will provide the link in my description. So what we are trying to do with this? So first we click the endpoint, like this is our endpoint. Endpoint is the web URL which is used for fetching the or hitting the web API and retrieve the company name. So once we hit the web API, the above web API link, so we will receive some Bitcoin currency rate depending on like either USD or INR. It's depend upon the web API result. Then what we do the next, then we ask the user select any currency like USD, BIT, EUR, any currency select by the user. Then based on the selection, like if the user select the EUR, then based on the selection we will fetch the result from the API. The result save into the Excel. So what we are trying to do, first hit the web API, hit, then we got the response, JSON response. From that JSON response we will ask to the user like which currency Bitcoin rate do you want to fetch. Once the user provide the option, then we retrieve the information related to the currency. Like if the user select EUR, then EUR Bitcoin rate. If they select the USD, then USD Bitcoin rate. Then we create a table, and then finally that table will store in the Excel. Hope you understand. So this is like example. So we have a endpoint URL. So we just mentioned the endpoint URL. For this we are using the Postman. So I have installed the Postman. If you not, then you can let me know. I will provide a video or a link from where you can install and learn how to install the Postman. So once we hit this web API link, we will retrieve the result like USD, GBP and EUR. So we will retrieve for this example. Now we have the three currency, but it's totally depend upon the API how many currency it will return. Sometime it's 3, sometime it's 4. So we will create our program or a bot dynamically, like able to fetch how many currency written by the web API. Then we will, like suppose if user select GBP, then we will retrieve the code, rate, description and rate of float and create a table. On that basis we will store the like code, rate, description, flat rate, and this table will store into the Excel. Hope you understand. So first we click the API. This is the like Postman result. So this is for like demo purpose. The code we will start in the next video, but in this video we are trying to understand what we are trying to do in with the help of a UiPath bot. So first we click the web API link, then we retrieve the result in the form of JSON. From that JSON we will retrieve the numbers of currency like USD, GBP and EUR. And after, like if the user select USD, then we will select the further information from that API. And if you not install or if you don't know how to start with the UiPath, so first you have to download the web API activity. Go to the like manage package. In the manage package, if you go to the official and write the web API, then you have seen that UiPath.webapi.activities you have to install. I have already installed, that's why it's showing me uninstall. Although you if you not install, then you will receive an option or you will get an option install and then save. So first install the web API activity for your project, then we will start. So this is the screen. So we will ask the user select any one currency. So for this example we have 3 currency, USD, GBP, UR. Then user select the GBP and click on OK, and finally user get a message report rate exported. And if you see in the Excel, then the code description, rate, flat rate is the header of that. And we select this example USD, then USD, description United States dollar, rate and the flat rate. So these all the details we have to save in the Excel. So this is our first project on web API based. In the next video we will start the practical, how we will implement what we are trying to achieve. Thanks. Hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe and continue on my channel. Thank you.